Wait. My hazards are going, mate. Yeah? Thank you. Today we are showing you my new daily. Well, not new, but just my daily, because I can't exactly film the E30 at the moment because I'm waiting for parts. So in the meantime, I've got the best mate there and the daily is here. I've got a Nissan 350Z in black with a nice kit on it, stock wheels at the moment, but yeah, this is the daily. This is what I'm driving around in the winter, but it is a decent car, I'm not gonna lie. It sounds good. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's just heavy, isn't it? So, but yeah, decent car. It is the daily car, so I drive this every day. The E30 is all locked up in the garage. I am waiting on some trap lens from the E30, so you got to bear that in mind until we get the E30 content. But that will be out in the summer. This will be just the daily car. But yeah, like literally, it's got a Cobra exhaust on it, got decat and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, it does sound absolutely insane. But we are literally on the edge of a cliff here, and all this here is just like derelict, abandoned and stuff. But she's got the Nismo mats in there. These seats are very, how do I explain it? Like a lot of people hate them and a lot of people like them. I'll probably put more percentage of people hate them because I actually do like these, but a lot of people hate the orange or tan or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's a decent motor. But what we're going to do is we're probably going to put on the Instax 360 on the back, see what sort of footage we can get. It's a nice sunny day. It hasn't been this sunny and this kind of dry in a long time, so yeah, so I had to get out. The content for the BMW is on pause at the moment because I do need track credens. So as soon as I get them, I'll be banging them on, and then the car needs tracking, and then I can get it out. So that is that's the plan for that so far. But look where we are. We are literally on a cliff, and I'll get the drone out and I'll actually show you where we are. Hold on 1 minute. We're literally on the edge of nothing. Right, look, there's nothing. That there, that was actually a road. Here we go.
All points updated.
Like, believe it or not, this was actually a road. Look at the state of that. But we're gonna mount the camera up here. Keeper's gonna get oh, I've got like hiccups then. Keeper's gonna get all belted in, and we'll go from there. Get some content, get some driving. Let's go. Now, obviously you've seen where we are. Obviously that is all the way along that way with this road, but I have put the Instax 360 on, Insta 360 with the car mount, pop it on there secure, and I'm going to test out these new mufflers like for like wind noise, because I know last time that I uploaded a video the wind was absolutely horrific. That was a cheap option, so if this doesn't work, if it's like really shit, like pretty bad quality with the wind noise, I'm just going to buy like an external mic and just attach it on the bumper somewhere, which I have no idea where, but we'll figure it out. If this one don't work, then obviously we'll sort out some new options. But I am literally just downloading new software as we speak, and then we will go for a drive, because I haven't done a video on this car yet. So actually I'll give you a little story about this car, actually, to be fair, while this is downloaded. We are on 70% so far. So basically this car was in fact my girlfriend's car. So she bought this as her daily car, but she struggled with like where to go. She's scraping on everything, can't get on our driveway, speed bumps, sort of things like that, and she literally just couldn't be bothered with it anymore. So she went and bought a new BMW X6, which is like an SUV, and she can just drive anywhere without worrying. So I bought this off her because it's quite sad to see it go, because it's actually a good car, like especially for the daily. And a lot of people say with the fuel consumption there, it's crazy on fuel, it's this and that, which yeah, I do agree, it is pretty crazy on fuel, but it doesn't stop me driving it. I just pay for fuel. And Kiba has put on my hazards, because he always puts on the hazard warning lights every time he's in the car. I don't know why, he just decides to. But it is a good car. So this was in fact my girlfriend's car, which has still got her Instagram on the window, I believe. Yes, it does. Look, you can go follow her if you like. I know, it's up to you. But yeah, it was my girlfriend's car, and now it's mine, and now I'm going to take it out in it. But I am in two minds. I am in two minds whether to keep it or sell it for like a big overlander slash 4x4 sort of thing. But I'm not sure, because I do like this car. Please reconnect the device. Right, so this is connected now, so we'll put you on the back and go from there. Now on, now you can see me. You can literally see me walk around the whole entire vehicle. One of these was actually in my last video, so that's why I replayed the footage, and it was hella windy. So I'm hoping this kind of works out a bit better. So hopefully, let's fingers crossed. Right, let's go for a nice drive. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. We are sticking to the speed limit. We are not breaking any laws, rules, or anything like that, okay? Nice, calm drive, nothing hectic, yeah? Doing what I think you're doing, love. Cutting the lane so I don't overtake. I don't think she likes me getting out of the way of the NPCs. will be quick along here because I ain't got no parking, so as long as... Oh look, there's a gnarly steering wheel. Oh, you reckon I put that in my car? That won't fit in my car. Okay, so we have actually just parked up somewhere to make sure Kiva can have a nice little walk quickly. What we're going to do is I'm going to try and find somewhere else to drive because probably... Oh, whoa, whoa! If I go back down Midi Road, obviously the road that I'm going to, there's too much traffic. So I'll think of where to go, I think. Right, so that is us back at the yard. Exhaust is doing my head in for some reason. My exhaust is actually... I don't know if you can hear that, but I can hear it through the car. It's really annoying. I don't know. Reach, want to reach? Oh, no, it does. Put these down. E30 is still in the garage, so it needs to be get track ends on it and stuff like that, which is in the post. Okay, they are in the post, so when they arrive I'll be banging the E30 together and then getting that track in and getting it out. So this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe on the channel. If you are new, just stay tuned because I've got some more ideas coming soon. But yeah, just bear with me with the fucking now stuttering. Just bear with me with the videos. I am trying to boost up the ideas and what we can do and the videos that we can make. And yeah, so peace.